Many companies face unstable demand throughout the year, month, or even week. In today's video, we'll talk about revenue management as one of the most effective tools to ensure a business's regular profitability. Stay till the end to learn how to calculate KPIs. You're on the Jelvix channel, weekly videos on tech in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe not to miss new videos. Here we go. So, what is revenue management? Revenue management is a unique business technique involving big data analytics to predict future demand for a company's key products or services. Some people put it even more simply. For them, revenue management is the art of selling to the right people at the right time and at the right price. Periodically, for a variety of reasons, customers' demand shrinks. At such times, some companies prefer not to react and just sink, but others adopt modern technology and adjust pricing not to their own needs and desires, but to the needs and capabilities of their customers. This is where revenue management becomes useful, providing a constant flow of customers and, accordingly, revenue for any type of business, from retail to IT companies. Now, you must be wondering, what are the exact benefits? According to our experience at Jelvix, the first and most essential thing is constant self-improvement. To implement revenue management, the company's departments must operate cohesively. All workers become part of a single mechanism and move in tune with the changing behavior of customers. The second advantage is the reasonable cost adjustment. Understanding that at some point in time, your services become less in demand, you can reduce the associated costs of advertising and equipment maintenance without the risk. The third bonus is the availability of flexible pricing. Sometimes you have to go out of your way to lower your prices so the customer can buy your product. But how do you figure out under what conditions people have less available funds? Revenue management involves analyzing the necessary data to understand which part of the population and when becomes less or more solvent. Have you ever had difficulties with pricing your product or service? Tell us your story in the comments. We're curious. Now, let's talk about revenue management systems, your helpers in implementing this technique into the work. Of course, you can hire some particular workers, revenue managers. They do all the job for you and advise on improving the company's work and increasing profitability. But in today's reality, it's much easier to access one program, named a revenue management system, that can do everything. All of them collect information about your customers, competitors, and the market as a whole. After analyzing it, they advise on specific practical steps to retain old clients, attract new ones, and so on. Such apps are a great example of the use of big data in business. Imagine how hard it can be to pile up hundreds of different indicators. Our article on this subject will help you better understand the issue. We recommend you check out the link under the video. You must be wondering what specific processes RMS or revenue managers perform during the workday. 1. Data collection. Systems save and constantly update historical data on prices, products, customer demand, etc. 2. Segmentation. Raw statistics carry no value per se. You need to segment the entire database, highlighting key indicators that need attention. 3. Forecasting. Based on the available information, RMS looks into the future and predicts the potential behavior of customers, the profitability of the company, or the availability of some material, if it's about production. 4. Optimization. Based on forecasts and historical data, the applications formulate solutions for upcoming problems, suggesting, for instance, to correct the pricing policy. And finally, 5. Re-evaluation. A good RMS constantly searches for new solutions and analyzes its results, improving with each new cycle. So, what data are RMS looking for? In each case, revenue managers or systems look at different metrics to make the right decision. For example, in the retail industry, the main KPIs are inventory turnover rate, which is equal to the cost of goods sold divided by the average inventory, accuracy of forecast demand, which shows the percentage accuracy of the prediction and is calculated by this simple formula: actual minus forecast divided by actual times 100. And gross margin, which is equal to net sales minus cost of goods sold divided by net sales times 100. But in reality, one company may require up to 100 different figures for the analysis to be productive. The experts will give you more information about your case. Or you can contact Jelvix staff, and we'll create a unique solution just for you. So, revenue management is a modern business practice that involves collecting and analyzing hundreds of different indicators of the company's performance to build a competent strategy for the future. It's not just a technology. It's an art demanding skills and time. But it's worth the gamble. This video was prepared by the Jelvix team. We help top brands worldwide to innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We share the latest news about tech trends and innovations weekly. So subscribe not to miss a single video. Also, share which topics we need to cover next on our channel. And don't forget to press the bell button. Bye for now.